In this video, I'm going to do some demonstrating of ordering. I really want you to understand this concept. Every time you add an object to a page in your IWB software, it creates a new layer. So this blue box is a layer. The green arrow is a layer. The text is a layer. The circle is a layer. Everything is a layer. It's like being piled up one on top of the other. Sometimes we need to rearrange those. Sometimes we need to send something to the back, something to the front, something forward, something backward. So we're going to do that today by taking these circles. Now each one of these circles is a layer. And I want to make a rainbow wedding cake, okay, a tiered wedding cake out of these colorful circles. So we all know that the largest layer obviously cannot be on the top of our cake. So this red circle is in the wrong layer. So I'm going to click on that red circle to let it know that that's who I'm talking to, the red circle. And I can go up here to Format, click on Order, and then where does that red circle need to go? It needs to go all the way to the back. So I'm going to click on Back. Notice now my red circle is behind all of the other circles. So I'm in good shape with my red circle. But my orange circle, it's still not perfect. It's over the purple, it's over the green, but I'm going to put it right there because for right now, it's okay. It's okay right now because it is on top of the red, and that's what's important in building this cake. Now the next layer needs to be yellow, and I think it looks okay too. So I've got my 3 bottom layers. They're all in the right order, but now I have some problems. Look where these are going. They aren't on the right layer. Okay, if you count those layers, you can see. So this green one should go next, and I really need to bring it forward. Let's count them. It's already in front of the purple, but it needs to come in front of the blue, needs to come in front of the orange, and in front of the yellow. So I would have to click on the green, and let me do it up here so you can see it better. Order, and I'd have to go forward, then I'd have to go forward, and then I'd have to go forward before it finally ended up, because I had to bring it forward 3 layers. To me, it's easier just to click on the object. I'm going to right click this time, and I'm going to order it to the front. And I'm not going to mess with that forward. I want to get right to where I want to be, and I'm just going to order the final purple one to the front, and I have built my rainbow cake. You have an assignment much like this today. You're going to build a bullseye. I want to show you how we use ordering, one of the many ways that we use ordering, but this is a way to use ordering to give kids instant feedback, to reveal the answers to them. Okay, so we have taken some problems here. Some of the problems are correct, some of them are wrong. Kids are identifying least common multiple. If they are correct, they will be able to put it on the red box. It tells them to put it on the red box. So if the least common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10, then I should be able to put it right here on the red box. Okay, if the least common multiple of 3 and 8 is 16, the student's going to say yes it is or no it isn't. And I'm going to say no it is not, because 16 is not a multiple of 8. So it will disappear. Again, let me bring that back out, and you will see layering. The red box is a layer, so I can order things behind the red box or in front of the red box. That's how I get the right and wrong answers and give kids immediate feedback. On this one, I have a shopping cart. The shopping cart only holds adjectives, so the student pulls a word out of the shopping bag. If blue is an adjective, they're going to identify, yes it is, no it isn't. If it is, they can put it in the cart because it's an adjective and it goes right in the cart. But if they think people is an adjective, they're going to find out immediately it is not an adjective because it will not go in the cart because the cart says adjectives only. Here's another one where ordering was used to give kids instant feedback. If the rock is an igneous rock, the student can shoot a basket and score 2 points. See the layering? If it's not an igneous rock, they miss. Now, this is a great template that can quickly be changed. You could have math equations on there. You could have answers to verbal questions on there. There's so many different things you could do with that. Here is what will stick to a magnet. Well, sure, paper clips will stick to a magnet. Sure, nuts and bolts will stick to a magnet. Will a feather stick to a magnet? What happened to the feather? It disappeared. Will a crayon stick to a feather? No way. It disappears because of layering. It's going to go right behind that layer. So you're giving kids instant feedback, and it's all possible because of ordering.